Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to block someone without opening their profile on LinkedIn. So normally when you enter the LinkedIn app and try to block someone, you need to go ahead and visit their profile first before you block them, right? But they will get a notification that you visited their profile before you block them. So how do we get around that, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click my profile right here at the top left, and I'm gonna click the settings gear at the bottom right. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and see there is the settings manual. Go ahead and click on visibility, and you're gonna see the option at the above. You're gonna see the first option, profile viewing options, and you're gonna see private mode, and that means that whenever you visit a profile and try to block someone, they will only see anonymous LinkedIn member. So what I'm gonna do now, I can visit any profile in that matter, and then just go ahead and click the three dots next to the message, and then I'm gonna be able to report and block, and you're gonna see a pop-up window, and you can just block that person to confirm that you want to block them. So let's find out in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.